Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to set the Directory Services Restore Mode password on Windows Server using the PowerShell window. And DSRM is a special recovery mode that allows administrators to troubleshoot and restore Active Directory when the domain controller is offline or experiencing issues. Without the DSRM password, you cannot access Restore Mode, making it critical for system administrators to set and manage it properly. Well, the first thing you need to do is open the PowerShell window and run it as administrator. Then enter the ntd-sudo command, which is a built-in tool used to manage the Active Directory database. Once you execute it, you will be entered into the Active Directory database management mode. Then enter Set DSRM password to enter the mode to modify the DSRM password. Then enter the reset password on server command and type the name of your local host that contains the Active Directory database. In my case, the local host name on this computer is doit server. Enter localhost and press enter to execute the command that specifies that you want to reset the password on the current server. Once executed, the system will ask you to enter a new password. For DSRM, enter the password and press enter. Then confirm the password when prompted again and press enter. You will see that the DSRM password has been set successfully, and thus it has been set and you can use it. After that, you can exit this mode by entering Q to exit the current command mode, then enter Q again to exit ntd-sudo completely. Now you can close the PowerShell window, and in case you want to verify the DSRM password change, open the PowerShell window again. Then enter the same ntd-sudo command, which is used to manage the Active Directory database. After that, enter the command set DSRM password and press the enter button. To verify, enter the command sync from domain account, then type your domain administrator username and press the enter button. This step will ensure that the password matches the current domain account. You will definitely replace the domain username with your own name, and you will see that the DSRM password is synchronized with the domain user you entered in the command. Enter the letter Q to exit the current command, then enter Q again to exit ntd-sudo completely. This way, you can easily set the DSRM password, but you must log into the server with an administrator account so that you can set it easily. Keep in mind that this password is necessary for Active Directory recovery, so make sure to store it safely in case you need it at any time. If you found this tutorial useful, click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more IT tips and tutorials. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.